etap was formed in the year 2000 as a non-profit. Our content has been prepared by experienced teachers with advanced degrees. A 15-day free trial is provided to evaluate how etap meets your learning needs. etap provides learning resources that meets the needs of special education students. Our success stories show how at-risk students tripled their pass rate when using etap to prepare for the high school exit exam. etap helps special education students by providing, number one, access to all grade levels to easily find their learning level. Two, instruction that is easy to read by using short sentences and words and including many pictures and graphics. Three, allowing students to select videos, learning games, and resources that fit their learning styles. 4. Allowing students to proceed at their own learning pace. 5. Using short lessons with frequent assessments. 6. Using questions similar to those found on standardized tests. etap comprehensive content allows teachers to easily direct students to the learning level they need. Students are more engaged by being allowed to select education resources that fit their learning style. They are motivated by the success they find in the sequence of the pre, practice, and post-tests. etap includes grades 1 through 12 and the 4 core subjects, plus test prep courses to prepare for the STAR, the ASVAB, the GED, the SAT, and the ACT, and more. etap resources include instructional content, questions, graphics, and videos to meet the needs of students' different learning style. etap's 4 core subjects include math, language arts, science, and social studies. Our variety of online resources helps teachers to meet the learning needs of students. There are many ways teachers can use etap resources. We recommend that initially etap be used as a supplement to classroom instruction and textbooks. Our experience is that etap digital content engages today's students much more than traditional textbooks. etap has more grade levels, subject, and learning resources than other content providers. etap is easy to use by pointing and clicking on the items you need. You can select the grade level and subject. Learners can start with the pretest to see what they need to learn. If the student gets all answers correct, they can proceed to the next lesson. If they get the wrong answers, they know what they need to learn from reading the instruction and watching the video. Research confirms that etap design helps all students succeed. Our test sequence of pre-practice and post-test helps students to complete and retain their learning. Research says that students' memory is the shortest for reading content, longer for video, and goes into long-term memory when answering a question correctly. Also, getting the correct answer to questions, which usually occurs with the post-test, motivates students. Graphic and pictures are provided for visual learning styles. Also, it has been said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Many videos are provided for students to complete their understanding and help students with different learning styles. All tests give students immediate feedback, which students like and helps them to progress with their learning. Also, we have used questions similar to those from released standardized tests. This is one of the reasons that students using ETAP have increased their test scores and pass rates on standardized tests. The feedback we have received from students is that they enjoy learning with ETAP and their level of engagement exceeds other programs. Our software allows teachers, if they like, to edit online content easily to fit their students' needs. To edit content, teachers use word commands and can copy and paste content, videos, and resources they have selected. They also can add or delete questions. By checking on the student button, teachers can see a record of all tests students have taken, when tests were taken, and the amount of time the student used the website. Teachers have used ETAP to increase the success of their students in many different ways, including test prep, to supplement their classroom instruction and textbooks, for independent learning programs and special education students. Teachers can use ETAP learning resources to easily provide students with personalized instruction that increases their engagement and success. Please go to the website and access the user guide for more information on how to use ETAP. Also, tell your students about the website and ask them for feedback on what they like about it. Thank you.